Hi team. So we'll be starting off with our ERP workflow series, and in this each video will show you how each step of the ERP happens, and we are starting off with creating order confirmation step. So we'll go one by one. Each video will cover each of these steps as in the diagram which we discussed before. To set the context right, we are talking about our customer being called buyer and our vendor being called test supplier, and the customer is looking to buy a product demo finished good one from us, which is made up of demo raw material fabric and demo raw material foam, as defined in the bill of material that we discussed before. So this is the whole context that we are going to start with. Now let's just look at how the first step is done. So imagine we get the order from our customer, we get a PO, purchase order, from our customer. So our first step is to book an order confirmation in the ERP. So, and this is typically done by the sales team. So I'm going to the demo sales account, and I go to the transactions. Now if you see a create document link is here, you click on it, click on order confirmation, select the buyer, you click, and you see a test buyer company. And once you see that, the details gets automatically fetched, and there are a couple of places where we need to enter information. Order confirmation for demo, and now you need to mention the delivery dispatch date. Like let's say we have to complete the whole deliveries by 17, and the store from which it goes is finished goods alpha. Pick your corresponding store, and now there is a provision of mentioning date wise dispatch. What I mean by that is, if the customer is asking that I'm ordering 10 units and I want 5 units on one particular date and the remaining 5 on the next particular date, the customer can mention that in their purchase order. So they'll give us dispatch dates, so the same information can be captured into our system through this. So what I'll do is, let's just say demo finished good one. If the customer wants 5 of these units as on 15th, and then the remaining 5 items as on 15th, let's say 18th. So in this way you can actually capture the dispatch plan as well in the order confirmation. So once this is done, once all the information is verified, you go and book this. So as soon as this is done, you have booked an order confirmation in the system. So the other teams can look at this and understand we have this order confirmed and act accordingly. So this is the first step in the ERP workflow. So by this we have completed order confirmation creation. So if you come to transactions, you will see the new order confirmation has been created. It is at the stage not dispatched. In the coming video, we'll go to the next step.